Excel, Module 4, Apply Your Knowledge. Open the Start File 4-1. And the first thing we're going to do is create a name section. So you need to select B4 all the way to C9 so that the figure 115,000 will be identified as price and not C5. And the same thing with down payment. The 30,000 will not be C4, it'll be recognized as down payment. So click Formula tab, Create from Selection, and the default, which is perfect, left column, and click OK. So now we'll start our first formula in C8, and our formula begins with equals. I'm going to click the price, 115,000. Notice it comes up as a cell defined name instead of C5. And then we will have minus down payment, and then check. So that's the loan amount, 85,000. This is for a boat. So for C9, to find the monthly payment, click FX, or in the Formula tab, Insert Function, same thing. And then you're looking for PMT, which is the payment, to find the monthly payment. And the first thing will be the interest rate. So click and notice it comes up interest rate divided by 12. And then next is 12 times the years, 8 years. And the PV is present value, so that is the loan amount. So click the loan amount, 85,000, and click OK. Now it comes up in red and in parentheses, so if you click up in the formula bar, immediately after the equals, press the minus key and enter. And the loan amount, or the monthly payment for the loan of 85,000 is just over $1,200 a month. In the next cell, F4, you just want the monthly payment, so equals, and then just click monthly payment, check, and it should be the 1,278. They set it off in green font, which is fine. The next one is G4, and this is the total cost. So the formula is equals 12 times the monthly payment times the years plus the down payment, and check. So that's the total cost. For the interest, it is equals G4 minus price. And then the next thing we'll do is we'll fill out this interest rate schedule. First, what we'll do is we'll notice that the interest rate is 9.75. So to find it on our interest rate here, we're going to do that conditional formatting. So select E5 with the open plus all the way to E19, Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to, and I'll press equals to, and I'll actually click the interest rate, which is the cell $C $7, and can keep it red or change it, it's up to you, but it matches. So what happens if the interest rate does change? You want to know what the monthly payments, total cost, and interest will be for that. So you need to select E4 all the way to H19. And it'll calculate for us by choosing the Data tab, What If, Data Table, and for the column input, you'll select the interest rate and then click OK. And if you want, the first row you can put into the accounting number format. And then for all the other rows, so that they all don't have dollar signs, just the comma style. So the next thing they do is they want it to stand out. So for the loan payment calculator, if you select this area over here and right click, you can go into your format cells. go into border. You want to pick a thick border and a color, choose outline and OK, or actually go to fill and select a lighter color fill. There's your sample and OK. And then do the same thing for the interest rate schedule. Right click, format cells. Let's do border first, thick, select a color, outline, go to fill, pick something else, and OK, so that they stand out. The next thing you can do is set up a defined range name so that if you wanted just to print that, so you would select again and then click right into the name box and you would type loan and then shift underscore calculator. Enter. And then for the other one, select the entire range, click in the name box, and you can type rate underscore schedule. And then if you click anywhere to deselect, when I go into the arrow, there's also the other names that we've defined, certain cells, but here's the loan calculator. See how it selects it? And then the same thing for interest rate, and it selects the, whoops, I put the long one. I called it rate schedule, sorry. There it is. So if you wanted to just print the selection, you could choose loan calculator and then go to file, print. It's showing both unless you go into active sheets and choose print selection, and it's just the one that's selected. Okay, go ahead and right click on loan payment calculator and choose move or copy, create a copy, move to end, and OK. So you get the same thing, but it's got a parentheses 2 on it. Right click on that tab, rename, and we'll call this motorhome. And then press enter. So in this one, we are going to change the item. So it'll be a motorhome. And the down payment is $75,000. And the price is $225,000. And the years will be 7 years. And the interest rate is 8%. And that it recalculates, so definitely the monthly payment has moved up quite a bit. Of course, the price is a lot more, the loan is more, and it's paid in less time. The interest rate is a little bit lower than the previous one, but because you've already created all of your formulas, it recalculated everything for you. So you have your loan payment calculator for your boat and your motorhome. That's a save and submit. Thank you.